Hi, my name is Logan. I'm a student physical therapist. Is it okay if I work with you today? Can you go ahead and give me your name and your date of birth?
Jonah Glover, March 27, 2001.
Okay, perfect. So, Jonah, today we are just going to be listening to some of your heart sounds, if that's okay with you. So, I'm going to have you just go ahead and take off your shirt if you're comfortable with that while I wash my hands.
Sounds good.
Okay, Jonah. I'll just have you sit here comfortably, breathe normal, everything like that. I'm just going to listen. So first, I'm going to just find your sternal angle here. I'm going to go down, and I'm going to find the second intercostal space, peristernal, over here on the right side. I'm going to be listening to your aortic valve. Perfect. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here on your left side, finding that angle, and then coming down to the second intercostal space over here. And I'm going to be listening to your pulmonary valve on the side. Perfect. I'm going to go straight down from here, staying peristernal, down to the fourth intercostal space, and I will be listening to your tricuspid valve there. Perfect. And then I'm going to go straight down from your mid-clavicular line down to the fifth intercostal space, and I will be listening to your mitral valve there. Okay, perfect. Jonah, everything sounded great. You can go ahead and put your shirt back on. I'm just going to wash my hands real quick.
Thank you.